Hello, right now I'm gonna quickly show you the best camera features of Redmi Note 14. So let's get started. Let's go into the camera application, and right here I want to show you the 108 megapixels pictures, and this option to take these pictures is available right here in this in these options right here. And in case you cannot find the 108 megapixels options right here, you have to swipe to the left, and right here in this more category here you'll probably find your 108 megapixels function. But yeah, basically as you are in here, you can take high quality 108 megapixels pictures, and that's a very nice feature for this phone. The next I want to show you the slow motion, and you can find it right here in this more category, and here's the slow motion. And yeah, you can basically record videos in the slow motion, but unfortunately you cannot change the video quality or the speed of the slow motion. All you can do right here is toggle the grid lines or a flashlight. But yeah, basically we have the slow motion. And the next thing right here we have the time lapse. So basically the time lapse, let's go in here, let's take a look. We can actually, yeah, we can only change the quality from 720 to 1080. As you can see, we can enable ultra wide lens and stuff. Let's see what we have, what kind of options we have available. And yeah, we can change the resolution. We have the auto exposure settings. And yeah, you have the time lapse in this phone available in the camera. The next thing right here we have the camera pro mode, and you can take very nice pictures with it if you know how to adjust all of these different values. You can take a lot of different pictures and a lot of beautiful pictures. We have a lot of different options right here. We can set up some filters on our pictures. We have some presets. You can save ourselves as presets. And what's next right here? Nothing much though. We have also the ultra wide lens available, and you can take pictures with this ultra wide lens. And we can also enable right here Ultra HD 108 megapixels. As you can see, you have histogram, you have watermark, and different kind of options available in this pro mode. The next thing I want to show you is the night mode, and it is available right here. As you can see, the night mode, and basically it allows you to take pictures at night. Your pictures will be more enlightened, and probably it higher the exposure. It makes the exposure higher. And yeah, basically you can take nice pictures at night. And for example, if you want to take pictures of stars, of the sky, night sky, you can use this night mode to do this. The next thing right here we have the macro mode, and we simply have to go into the regular camera right here and press on this arrow on the top, and here we have the macro mode, and we can take close-up pictures of different things, like for example nature or some kind of bugs or something. But yeah, basically the macro mode is for the close-up pictures, and you cannot make any different pictures with the macro mode. So yeah, we have the macro mode. And the next thing I want to show you is the dynamic shots, and basically this is the live pictures feature, something like this. Since as you just take a picture with this dynamic shots available, you go in here into the gallery and you can take a look of at the picture at this live view, as you can see. And yeah, you have the live photos, actually this function for our camera. And the next thing I want to show you is the documents, and you can basically scan documents using your camera application. And let me just show you as I take the phone, and let's say I want to scan this back of the box right here. I need to adjust the focus, and as you can see, the camera adjusts the outlines the box, and it thinks that it is the document, it thinks that it's the paper sheet. And yeah, basically you can scan documents as you take a picture right now. As you can see, we have the document kind of like scanned. So that's a really nice feature. Actually, we don't need any third-party applications, and we don't have actually to crop ourselves the pictures of the documents. We simply enable this option with the documents, and right here we can take the picture of the document. So that is also a very nice feature, very useful. And the last thing I want to show you is the voice button function, which I think is really nice actually, in case you're holding your camera vertically, I believe, or horizontally actually. Yeah, so let's go into this. Let's press this arrow on the top and go into the settings, camera settings, and we have to scroll down, and right here we have the options to volume button functions, and we press it and we can set the volume button function to shutter, to zoom. We can also enable timer and volume, and in my personal opinion I'd like to use zoom. And yeah, with these volume buttons you can right now zoom things like in a regular camera or something like this. It's also a very nice feature and I really like it. So that would be all actually about the best camera features in my opinion on the Redmi Note 14. Thank you for watching.